Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about wood furniture design ideas. Wood furniture is a timeless classic that can add warmth and character to any home. Whether you're looking for a rustic or modern look, there's a wood furniture design out there for you. So, let's get started. We need furniture every day. We sit on furniture, we eat on furniture, and we do most of our daily chores by using some sort of furniture. Almost all these furniture pieces could be made in wood. Wood gives them an amazing look, and if you want to go for a rustic look, you could get that in wood. If you have the skill and tools, there are several wood furniture pieces you could make right away. You could gradually move to more complex items as you improve your skill. Today, we will show you some incredible wood furniture design ideas you can use for your next DIY project. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture ideas for your home or office. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood is a natural, strong, durable material that still looks attractive and stylish. The exquisite wood grain texture enhances the appearance of the furniture. Furthermore, the design will never go out of style, allowing it to be utilized for a long time. Wood offers a combination of peerless structural integrity and aesthetic appeal that other materials cannot reflect. It can transform the mood of an entire house or a room. This is because it is part of a nature-connected interior design. Wood furniture comes in different types. One sector of wood furniture is rustic wood furniture. If you're looking for a cozy and inviting atmosphere, rustic wood furniture is the way to go. Rustic wood furniture is characterized by its natural and raw appearance. Some popular rustic wood furniture design ideas include coffee tables, benches, and bed frames. These pieces can be made from reclaimed wood, which adds to their rustic charm. Rustic wood is a term that can be applied to any wood. It refers to the condition of the wood or the way that the wood has been prepared. Wood can become rustic naturally or conditioned to appear rustic. Rustic design is a style that's natural, aged, organic, and maybe even a little distressed. Rustic furniture has many advantages. It is unique and one of a kind. It is also environmentally friendly because it is made from natural materials. Rustic furniture is also very durable and long-lasting. It can withstand wear and tear and still look great. Rustic furniture is also very versatile and can be used in many different settings. If you're looking for a sleek and contemporary look, modern wood furniture is the way to go. Modern wood furniture is characterized by its clean lines and minimalist design. If you're feeling crafty, you can create your own wood furniture design. DIY wood furniture is a great way to add a personal touch to your home. These pieces can be made from a variety of woods such as pine, cedar, birch, or others found in your area. If you're living in a small space, you can still incorporate wood furniture into your home. Wood furniture can add warmth and character to any space, no matter how small. Some popular wood furniture design ideas for small spaces include folding tables, storage benches, ladder shelves, etc. These pieces can be made from a variety of woods, such as bamboo, teak, or cherry. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wood furniture ideas for your home or office. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.